Today we're going to go over massaging out the feet with a golf ball. This can be like a really useful tool for many of situations. If you got plantar fasciitis, you got bunions, you just ran and your feet feel a little beat up, or you just have really tight soles. So the bottom of your foot is called the plantar. You got a lot of fascia there, which is essentially elastic bands made of muscle and protein. Some people also call it saran wrap as well. And there's a lot of things it can do, but it mostly provides structure to the arch under your foot. But repeated use can cause those muscles to stiffen up. You get a lot of tone there, and you may be even like inflamed as well. Your best friend is probably going to be a golf ball or something similar. Depending on your situation, you might need something a little bit more broad, a little bit more narrow. For me, I love the golf ball. It's just the right amount for me personally. I'm going to do it seated, and I'm going to show you how to do it standing, but this is a really awesome tool just to unleash and open up all that tightness inside of your feet. So I'm going to set this down underneath me, and I'm going to get the softest parts of my foot, so not the bony parts over here where the tarsals are. I'm going to get it right about here, metatarsals actually, and I'm going to rest it right above the golf ball, and I'm going to gently move it back and forth. You're going to go through the smooth, and you can work all the way from the pinky toe end to the toe end, just like so. If you have really good pain tolerance or you need a little bit more pressure, you can always stand over it and do it. It works just as well also. And this is a really great way to kind of push that inflammation out or to get the actual fascia to have some pressure on it, release some tonality. Really awesome way of doing it. If you want, you can also do some flossing. So I might just put pressure on one trigger point and I'll just move my toes up and down. You can like open them up like this too. Some people don't have that ability, but that's another way you can floss. So I just want to make sure I have pressure, and I'm going to add movement. For me personally, I just like going like this, nice and simple. I personally like standing because I need that pressure personally to feel it. But if you find it's too painful, you can always sit down and do it, or you get a much larger object. So this is about a golf ball. You get a lacrosse ball, which is yay big, and that will have a larger surface area. And I think that might be even better if you have really swollen plantars, okay? Just that way you can help promote some circulation. You're basically rolling out all of that tightness. You're going to press out some of that inflammation, help circulate the area. Really awesome exercise. You can do it on both sides of your feet as well. Really awesome tool to do either when you're stretching, warming up, or before you go on your run, or after a run. It's so freaking good. Just make sure you take your time with it. Don't go so hard that it hurts so much you can't relax either. Some people will put way too much pressure and they'll tense against the golf ball and it'll actually perpetuate the problem. So make sure you're putting a gentle amount of pressure, something you can actually tolerate, and you'll find awesome relief. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you on the next one.